Why aren't visitors buying anything from your online store? There can be plenty of reasons. In this video, I'll tell you why your product pages might prevent people from placing an order in your dropshipping store and how to fix it. Hi everyone, my name is Alicia and this is AliDropship YouTube channel. With the help of AliDropship plugin, you can quickly turn any WordPress site into a dropshipping store. Here on this channel, I share tips on how to start dropshipping and how you can get the best profits from it. This video is for dropshipping beginners. Let me share with you what common product page design mistakes you should avoid and how to fix them. When a product gets imported from AliExpress, you should make some improvements, such as editing the title and the description of that product. That seems to be obvious, but I've seen surprising examples of product titles that contain AliExpress along with 10 to 15 other unnecessary words. Unedited URL scream. This is not a unique item and not worth purchasing. If you don't edit anything in the product name, description, and image gallery, you get an unprofessional product page that doesn't motivate store visitors to make any purchases. So please edit the title, URL, and description of each imported product. Don't forget to delete AliExpress images from the description as well. Ideally, when you import product reviews together with the AliExpress items, you want to create a positive image of your store and show that previous buyers were happy with the purchases. But look at this screenshot. A buyer complains that it took the seller more than 3 months to send the order, plus the item is low quality. Is this really the reputation you'd like to have? By the way, using AliDropship plugin and AliDropship Google Chrome extension, you can import reviews one by one or in bulk. Here's how to do it. Select this option to import only the high-rated reviews and skip reviews with specific keywords, for example, negative expressions. When you import product reviews in bulk without careful reading, it's possible to include accidentally negative reviews that affect your store reputation. Check reviews before or after importing. Dropshipping stores are awesome because you can import new items anytime you like and even manually edit the number of product orders if you don't get too carried away. Look at this product. Can you believe that it's possible for an item from the new arrivals category to have 1,000 plus orders already? When a product's order quantity and its availability period are so disparate, it hurts the store's reliability and trustworthiness. Discounts and special offers are one of the most common elements of pricing strategy aimed at generating more sales. When a customer sees a huge discount, it works as a powerful motivation to make a purchase right here, right now, while the appealing offer is still valid. But you can get it wrong too. This example shows how fake these promotions might look. A discount that is that big is certainly a good deal, but seriously, who would believe that this item originally costs so much? Online shoppers can't trust a store that manipulates them so obviously, and such price games can seriously damage the seller's reputation. The main point of this video is that you should make your product page neat and trustworthy before visitors come to your site. It makes no sense to drive traffic to your store until you fix what would prevent your visitors from making a purchase. If you want to learn how to make your product pages absolutely perfect, please read this post on our blog. It will give you an extended overview and 12 steps to the best product pages possible. Find the link in the description. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up to this video as it's the only way for me to know that you liked it. And don't hesitate to subscribe. We post new videos every Friday. See you!